Are you looking for funding for your next flip, but you're tired of your loan application being denied or getting a high interest rate? Where this video is going to explain how a hard money lender like Epic Impact Investors uses your credit score to evaluate your loan application. And as a bonus, I'll give you some tools to help you boost your credit score so you can get your loan approved. Hey, I'm Alexis Hart McDowell from Epic Impact Investors. We provide hard or private money loans to flippers and developers and also investment opportunities for passive real estate investors. Epic Impact Investors is a full service, self funded, private hard money lending company providing fast and flexible financing for investment real estate deals. We currently lend in Chicago, Illinois, and Atlanta, Georgia. If you're a flipper or real estate developer, you know how important it is to get capital to finance your construction projects. Your credit score, while not the centerpiece of your loan application, can be the reason why your application is denied or that your interest rate is so high. So that cuts into your profits. In this video, I'm going to tell you how hard money lenders use your credit score. And as a bonus, if you stick around to the end, I'll give you some resources you can use to raise your credit score to help you get your funding for your flip. So subscribe to this channel for more information on how to get your hard money loan approved and on for real estate investing information. Let's do a brief review of loan evaluation criteria. Epic uses a simple three-step process called the person, the property, and the profits. The person is an assessment of your character and credit worthiness. And of course, your credit score is just one tool that we use to make that assessment. This is what we're going to discuss today. The property is a valuation of the property in an unfinished quick sale and on the market as a finished project. That's a twofold process. And then lastly, the profits. Of course, that consists of loan payments and loan payoff and your ability to accomplish both. Now, let's focus on the person or your credit score. So, credit worthiness is just a measure of how likely you'll be able to repay your debt obligations. That's it. It consists of a review of your timely payment of your debt obligations, meaning the history of that, your payoff history of the loans. So, not only did you pay them on time, did you actually pay them off? Your financial management skills. It gives us an insight into that, whether or not you have bankruptcies, liens, collections, foreclosures, all of that tells a story. And then lastly, your debt load analysis. It allows us to see how many lines of revolving credit do you have? How many outstanding loans do you have? How much debt do you actually have compared to your potential income for this project or your income overall? Now, how does your credit score impact your loan application? First of all, it can lower your loan to value. For example, Epic only loans up to 65% of the ARV, right? It goes down from there. So if your credit score is low, they're more going to say, hey, we can only loan up to 50%, 55% because you're a higher credit risk. Okay. Now there's other factors that play into that, but your credit score is absolutely used in that regard. Next, it may require you to bring more cash to closing. This is definitely a possibility and why some people are caught off guard with how much money they have to bring to closing. Lenders need to lower their risk when you have a low credit score. In order to do that, they're going to shift that risk to you by making you put more skin in the game, which is what? More cash to closing. You may also need to have some collateral. Collateral is simply another piece of property that you own free and clear, no debts, that we can put a lien on, right? So that if you fail to go through with this project, we can go easily and swiftly take that other piece of property. That's collateral. And then if things aren't working out at all and we just cannot get this deal to work, you're going to get a denial of your application. I can tell you that with most lenders, you're looking at a minimum of a 640 credit score. Now, remember, don't shoot for the minimum because that what is going to make your LTV, your amount of your ask, go down. All right. Now, As I promised, I said if you stuck around to the end, I would give you a little bonus. And here are some strategies to help raise your credit score. Some of these strategies are faster than others. So, depending on how quickly you are looking to get into your next flip, you may want to start today with working on your credit. First and foremost, I always recommend pull your free annual credit report. You get it from annualcreditreport.com. So go there and pull a free report. Then dispute everything and anything. You can do this all for free online. That's probably one of the easiest ways to do this and cost effective. The next way is to use a reputable service provider. You'll have to pay a fee for their service, but remember, it's not forever. You're actually using it as an investment in your business. You can stop when your credit gets to where you need it to be, right? So essentially, you're paying a small price to get guidance and a game plan to follow that will ultimately save you thousands of dollars in interest and fees. Now, a couple of tools and methods are in this AI driven world, you have some AI driven credit repair websites, such as Dovly, DOVLY.com, DisputeIPro.com, 850club.com, DisputePanda.com, SmartDisputer.com. All of these can help you manage your credit and repair your credit. I do not endorse any of these companies. I'm just sharing what came up in a Google search. Now, remember that on time payments help increase your credit score. Reporting utility payments is a new thing and it can help increase your credit score. So if you've been paying your electric bill, your phone bill on time on your personal property, then you can possibly get that reported to the credit reporting agencies to help you increase your score. You want to check out sites like 850club.com or identityiq.com, where they can get 24 months of your utility payments posted to your credit report, which could possibly raise your credit score. So I want you to remember that with borrowing comes a moral responsibility to repay. Psalms 37 and 21 says, "The wicked borrow and do not repay." We also want to check out 2 Kings 4 and 7, where it says, "Pay what you owe and live off the rest." It's not just about finance, it's about integrity and your character. And that is partially reflected in your credit score. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and click the button right now. Hopefully you found this information useful. If you're looking for a hard money loan or you're looking for a way to passively invest in real estate, reach out to Epic Impact Investors at epicimpactinvestors.com. You can fill out a loan application or sign up to become an investor with us. We look forward to working with you and be sure to subscribe to our newsletter.